Okay, so I have replaced the Red Sea 525 XL with this Aqua One 326. Unfortunately, it's just a 4-foot one for the time being. Yeah, so I'm gonna just wait to do the plumbing. I don't have the pipes. I've decided to keep the Red Sea sump just because I had all of it plumbed up and all that, so I don't want to change everything now. Also, I have some live rock in there. Yeah, just gonna keep this up, but I need the plumbing, and it's Christmas, so there is there are no companies open up, so I can buy some plumbing fittings. I'll do it after. Yeah, all good. Unfortunately, I also noticed a week ago that I had some ick, so I'm treating these guys now in a 10-gallon tub. My little babies, they're okay. I'm treating them with the copper power, uh, which is now full strength. I'm just gonna do a test real quick, see what's what. Um, yeah, and then I'm gonna move them back, but I'm gonna leave that tank for 90 days. Yeah, I know it's 76, but it's gonna need 90 days. Yeah, I've done the change yesterday. I finished up yesterday, so yeah, there's the paddling pool. Um, there's the Red Sea right there, covered up. I don't know. Just give it away to somebody. Um, yeah, all good. So no more Red Sea in this house. This is an Aqua One 4-foot for now. Maybe later on could be like 5-foot, but something. Definitely not Red Sea anymore. Yeah, that's only 18.6 degrees for now, which is for our brothers in the USA 65.5 fucks. So yeah, that's gonna go up um, to 26 degrees, or how many fucks that is. Yeah, it's I'm just so I'm chuffed. I'm chuffed with this. I'm going to put the live rock back up in there as soon as I get the plumbing done. And yeah, no Red Sea, no Red Sea nightmares anymore. Thank you to everybody who shared their mishaps with the Red Sea. I would not know about that, so thank you so much for telling us that's a problem. And I just noticed the small bubbling that was down here, and I was like, holy crap, I have the same problem. So I just removed it real quick. I bought this one for £300, which is like $300, whatever. And it was I thank God I found this, and I just done a quick just a real quick replacement of it. Yeah, it's just, yeah, I have a lot of freshwater tanks. I just like my guppies and whatnot. There's guppies. There's guppies there. There's just some amphipods in there. There's some there's a betta in here, and some small puffer fish in there, pea puffers. Don't worry about this. It's just algae on the screen, on this glass. It's fine. It's just algae. I don't mind that. Then I have this saltwater one with my a few of my fish in there, and then the tanks are here. I have them on copper power for now, and then I have two yellow wrasses, yellow coris, and a lavender tank and a scopas tank right there. I'm just treating them now. They were in the big massive tank. There's my baby betta fish. Not much of a babies now, but yeah. So yes, none of those, all of these fish tanks are over 10 years old. None of them had their seals broken until today. Um, Whereas the Red Sea had the seal starting to pop after like 4.5 years. So yeah, it's not a tank problem, it's a Red Sea problem. Let me just make that very clear. All right, yeah. Okay, guys, have a happy holidays. Happy holidays, guys.